Hello everyone, I am Janita and welcome back to my channel Travelin' with Jay. As you've already seen the thumbnail, so today in this video, we are going to discuss about sovereign gold bond, which are also known as SGBs. If you're looking to invest in gold, first of all, I'm not talking about digital gold, which is also a great option to invest in gold. As you all know, there are a lot of disadvantages of holding gold in physical form, like you have to pay for making charges, then there are also GSTs to pay when you buy or sell the gold. Then there is polishing, then purity of the gold, and first of all, the safety issue of holding gold. So there are a lot of disadvantages if you hold the gold in jewelry form. If you compare the same with digital gold, then you don't have to bear all the cost that I have just mentioned. So you just need to buy the gold, hold it for a specific period of time, and when the prices of gold rises, you can sell it off at a good rate. Today in this video, I am going to share a form of investment which will give you 2.5% interest per annum, no GST, no tax. So the investment which will give you all the three benefits is none other than sovereign gold bonds. Now you will say, what is SGB? So SGB is a gold bond issued by the Reserve Bank of India, that is RBI. So in this video, I am going to share all the details about what is SGB, what are the advantages, what are the disadvantages, and an important tip. So do watch the video till the end. And if you're new to this channel, this is me Janita, and I post videos related to travel, finance, and education. So if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, please do subscribe and share it with your friends and family. SGB is issued by Reserve Bank of India on behalf of Government of India every 5 times in a year, and the dates of issue is announced in advance by RBI. So if you can see, I have pinned a link in the description box where you can check the issue date and allotment date for SGBs.
And if you can see, there is a series which was open for subscription from 30th August 2021 and it will be closed on 3rd September 2021.
Maturity of the bond is for 8 years, which means you buy the bond today at today's price and you hold it for 8 years, and then RBI will buy the bond back after 8 years at the rate which will be after 8 years. For example, if I buy 1 gram of SGB bond for 4,000 today, and if the price after 8 years goes to 8,000, then the difference amount of 4,000 will be the profit that I have earned on the SGB bond. RBI will issue a physical certificate as proof of purchase if the SGB bond is allotted to you. Its maturity is for 8 years, but if you want, you can also do a premature withdrawal that is allowed after 5 years. And also one more option is available, like for example, if during the maturity, that is during the 8th year, if the price of the bond is not at a good value, then what you can do, you can also extend the bond for another 3 years, that is up to 11 years. So they have given both the options, that is premature withdrawal, that is after 5 years, and also an extended maturity option by 3 years, that is up to 11 years. First advantage, that is it is issued by RBI, that is Reserve Bank of India, on behalf of Government of India, so there is no doubt of safety for your investment. Whatever amount you invest in the SGB bond, you will get 2.5% interest per annum, and the interest is credited to your bank account directly semi-annually, which means in every 6 months, and the final interest will be paid along with the principal amount on maturity. To buy the bond, you don't have to pay GST, whereas on the other hand, whenever you buy or sell gold in physical form, GST is deducted. Another benefit is that whenever you sell the bond, maybe say after 5 years or 8 years or even after 11 years, so whatever profit you earn, you don't have to pay tax, which means the long-term capital gain tax is exempted. Now you may be having a question like, how do I apply for this SGB bond? You can apply for SGB bond through your bank, through post office, through NBFC or stock exchange. Here you get a benefit, like if you apply it online, you get a benefit of 50 rupees discount on per gram. And one more thing, that is one more option available for people who wants to apply offline, is that if you mention your Demat account number or your DPID, that is your DPID on the form, then this particular bond will reflect in your account portfolio. Why this option of adding it to your Demat account is there is one more benefit associated to it, because this particular bond is also tradable, which means you can also trade this bond after 5 years like you trade your normal shares. One more benefit is that you can also apply for loan keeping the SGB bond as collateral, which means loan against SGB bond is also available through banks and NBFCs. You can also apply for SGB bond with your partner, which means joint holding is also available. Adding a nominee to your investment is very important, which is also available for your SGB bonds, which means you can also add a nominee to your SGB bond. Another benefit is that if you buy, for example, 10 grams of SGB bond, you don't have to redeem them all, which means partial redemption is also available. You can sell 1 gram, 2 grams, 3 grams, 5 grams, any gram in the multiples of 1, which means you cannot sell 2.5, 3.5 or something. It has to be a round figure. Last benefit that I would like to add here is that you can apply for SGB bond through your bank, through commercial banks, through stock exchange, or through your demat account, or through post office. So all the options are available, but don't forget that if you apply it online, you get a 50 rupees discount. So that was all about the advantages of SGB bond. One thing to note here is that RBI will buy back the bond after the maturity, that is after 8 years or after 11 years, even if the price of the bond is negative, which means if it incurs loss to you, then also you have to sell them off at the time of maturity. So I recommend you to keep the SGB bond in demat form, so that even after 5 years or 8 years, if you get a good market price, you can sell them off at that particular time. Second disadvantage is that you cannot apply for SGB bond anytime that you desire, because RBI announces a particular schedule, as I have informed you and given you the link in description. That is the dates when you are about, means when you can apply for that particular SGB bond. But here there is an important tip that I told you at the start I would give you. Here the tip is that SGB bond that was issued in 2016, so this is the 5th year, that is 2021. At this particular time, if you search for SGB bond on your stock trading app, you will get to know there are different types of SGB bond that were issued in 2016. So this particular bond are available to buy right now, in which there is another benefit is that if you buy the SGB bond that is available on the 4th till the 4th, which is open for subscription, that SGB bond will be locked for 5 years, which means you cannot trade that particular SGB bond for the next 5 years. Whereas if you buy the SGB bond which was issued in 2016, you will be able to trade those SGB bond for the next 3 years, which means it will mature in 2024. And also, if you hold the 2016 SGB bond now for like 6 months, 1 year, or maybe 2 years, you will be eligible to get the 2.5% per annum interest.
So guys, the screen which you can see is my IIFL Demat account. I will click on Invest. There is an option of IPO and bonds. Here you can see SGB bond. So the bond name is Sovereign Gold Bond Scheme 2021 to 2022. Bond price is of 4,682 rupees. Minimum application is 1. Opening date was 28th August 2021 and closing date is 3rd September 2021. Now I will click on Apply. Here you can see we have to enter the quantity. If I enter 1, the value shows us 4,682 rupees, which means you can also buy 1 gram of SGB bond. Then if I enter 10, the value changes to 46,820 rupees. Now I will click on I agree and accept to the terms and conditions. You can click on the terms and conditions and check all the details. Here there is an option to view prospectus. If I click on prospectus, I'll download it. So this is the document, what you can see. It states that the price of gold, that is as of 25th August, 26th and 27th, works out to be at 4,732 rupees. But they have given a benefit of 50 rupees discount if you apply it online. So the bond price shows at 4,682 rupees. So this is what shows in prospectus, and this is how you can apply for SGB bond in your IIFL Demat account. Now let me show you the second option to buy SGB bond, that is the existing ones of 2016. you need to search for SGB where you normally search your other shares. So if you can see, there are other options available for SGB bond, that is series 1 October 25, then series 3 June 28, series 4, and you can see the current values of those particular bonds. You can trade this particular SGB bonds for next 3 years, that is till 2024. Now let us click on one of the SGB bond and check how to buy it. It looks same as you buy your normal shares. So if I click on buy, here I have to enter the quantity and there you can see the price, and I'll click on buy. That's it. It is simple and easy. If you have Angel One app, then you have to go to investment opportunities, then you have to go to sovereign gold bond. Here you can see all the details about the key benefits of the SGB bond. Then you will click on invest. Here you need to enter the quantity. First you will have to add funds to your account, then you will be able to enter the quantity and make that particular purchase of your SGB bond.
So guys, that was all about SGB. We have discussed what is SGB, what are the advantages, what are the disadvantages, and I have given the important tip that I promised you at the start of the video. So if you like this information and if you have any questions related to SGB, do mention in the comment box. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel Travelling with Jay. I will see you soon with another video. Till then, take care. Bye.